The inflation report for the month of June coming in just in the last hour. It shows inflation is up, but just about in line with expectations. A look at some of the numbers now. Prices up 2.7% last month compared to June of last year. NewsNation's Brooke Shafer joining us now with more on this. Brooke, what else are we seeing in this latest report?
Well, Marni, some economists say this report is more or less in line with what we expected. Prices have seen a modest bump. Inflation accelerated in June. The consumer price index rose to 2.7%. That is up from 2.4 in May. Inflation last month now at its highest level in 4 months as the cost of gas, food, and groceries increased. Core inflation, excluding volatile food and energy costs, also shifted higher, up 2.9% annually. That's up 0.1%, but still slightly lower than what we expected to see in this report. Economists had told us that they were going to be looking closely at the prices of goods like cars and clothes, because that could give us some more clues on how President Trump's tariffs are really impacting the U.S. economy. The index for new cars fell 0.3% over the month, but the apparel index increased 0.4% in June. And this is what some economists had said is really the big story here. Apparel, things that are more subject to those tariffs. If prices based on importing from other countries increased, this is really where you would see it. Now, most companies have been able to absorb the costs associated with tariffs. They've been stockpiling inventory, hoping to avoid raising prices. But that buffer, of course, will only last so long. Wells Fargo, for one, expects the price of core goods to keep going up through the second half of the year. Marni?
Brooke, what does the June inflation data tell us about the Fed's next move?
Well, Fed Chair Jerome Powell, as we've reported, is really in no rush to cut interest rates. And we expect him, Marni, to continue to take that same wait-and-see stance at the central bank's next meeting later this month, despite public pressure and criticism, as we have heard from President Trump himself, who even just yesterday called the Fed chair stupid for not yet lowering interest rates. The Fed, as we know, is targeting 2% annualized inflation before lowering interest rates. Again, those new numbers just in this morning are at 2.7. So those interest rates are expected to hold steady for now. But some investors anticipate we could see a cut in September. So we'll have to wait and see. Marni?
All right, Brooke, thank you.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe below and download our NewsNation app right now on your phone, and you will get fact-based, unbiased news for all Americans.